Changing your bank account on Flight Club is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Flight Club website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Payment Information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your bank account. Enter your new bank account details in the provided fields. Ensure that all information is accurate, including the account number and routing number to avoid any issues with transactions. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new bank account information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm no changes and ensure that your new bank account is now linked to your Flight Club account. Make sure to double check your new information and keep an eye on your account for any updates. Following these steps will help you successfully change your bank account on Flight Club.